Hello everyone. In this video we would like to share the work that we finished in Nissan Patrol 2009 model, and the work that we finished in this one can be divided into a few sections. The first section we would like to share in this video is about the tanning system, wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, Full HD camera. That's something that we normally build. And the second section is that we will do a separate review on the sound system that we built for this car. You can see that there's some indication here of how this car was built. Okay, that is the Pioneer bus controller, and that is the Pioneer tweeter, and underneath of all the grill there are Pioneer drivers speaker. So yeah, we will talk about that later in the second video, but first focus on this one 10-inch custom build full wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, which actually is on the screen now with the wireless Android Auto, and I'm using the Android phone G43 to record this video at the same time. So that's a very usual system that we have been done a lot in other cars model as well. And in this car we built this one a bit differently than other Patrol we have done. The car also custom built with something nice. Here you can see that it was the blank cover and now it's dual USB port, so basically I can plug in something like this later in another video to run a special rock video song to test the sound system. And also we get the new steering wheel control setup, wireless steering wheel control setup to the head unit, and then fit for the the new steering wheel control, steering wheel cover as well. And talking about the reverse camera, we fit the reverse camera in the place that it help the owner to see the turbo whenever he want to see something behind. Yeah, that is adjustable, but seeing the turbo always on the screen is very handful and very helpful, especially the owner love four-wheel drive or towing something. So basically if you play around the Android Auto system here, that's very easy and usual system we have. And you can see how the tanning system sit nicely on the dash of the Nissan Patrol. It doesn't block the air vent condition, it doesn't block the air conditioner control, it doesn't block anything, and it just blend nicely into the dash. It doesn't block anything on the side, and also we custom build the thing here. So yep, after a good talk, yeah, the owner decided that okay, go for the 10-inch, which we also recommend for Nissan Patrol, which is a big SUV. I mean big four-wheel drive, and this car really big. It is set up for four-wheel drive and touring, so that's very good one, fully kit out. Now go out and have a look at how the camera is fit. For the Nissan Patrol, you can see that the camera is right here. That position will have to see the turbo right here. So we go back and have reverse on, and now the turbo is right here, and the system showing very detailed objects behind as usual. Our camera, no need to worry about that. Okay, so yep, that's the way that our system fit and works. So as I mentioned before, we actually fit in 8 Pioneer 8 Pioneer component speaker and tweeters, including 1000 watt amplifier, Pioneer amplifier to control 8 speaker and tweeter, and including one under seat Pioneer active subwoofer including amplifier already, and after that we adjust together. Just also make note that that system will be reviewed in another video right after this. So thanks again for watching, and please just click on the link at the end of this video. We will see you on another one now, talking about the sound system we built for this one. Thank you.